2025 Mini Cooper S, a fun, quirky ride back to your college days, but maybe not literally. Chris Tsui's review in the drive offers a nuanced perspective on the 2025 Mini Cooper S, highlighting both its strengths as a zippy and youthful companion, and its quirks that might not appeal to everyone. Ideal for new drivers and city slickers. For those taking their first steps into the world of car ownership, the Mini Cooper S is a dream come true. Its go-kart-like handling and punchy turbocharged engine deliver a smile-inducing driving experience that's perfect for navigating city streets or exploring winding back roads. Don't be fooled by its diminutive size. The Mini Cooper S offers surprising practicality with enough cargo space for weekend adventures and comfortable seating for 4 on shorter trips. Fuel efficiency adds another layer of sweetness, making it an economical choice for budget-conscious drivers. The revamped interior boasts a modern design with a unique circular touchscreen that complements the car's quirky personality. A dose of nostalgia, but can it be too much? However, the Mini Cooper S's charm is steeped in nostalgia, and for some it might be a double-edged sword. The reviewer criticizes the infotainment system's unconventional circular layout, finding it less intuitive and user-friendly compared to a traditional rectangular screen. The system's processing power is also taken to task for lagging behind, potentially frustrating those accustomed to faster tech. Manual transmission purists might be disappointed by its absence in the 2025 model year. The iconic twin exhaust pipes have also been removed, possibly in anticipation of an electric future, but leaving a void in the visual appeal for some. Taller drivers might find the ride a bit on the stiff side on extended journeys, and rear seat passengers may feel cramped on longer trips. A fun first car, but consider your needs. Tsui concludes that the 2025 Mini Cooper S is a solid choice for young drivers or those seeking a zippy and practical first car. Its playful personality and undeniable charm make it a joy to get behind the wheel. However, those who have graduated from dorm room living and prioritize a more intuitive infotainment system or a roomier back seat might find the Mini Cooper S's quirks a bit too much to handle. The reviewer's score of 7 out of 10 reflects this sentiment, acknowledging the car's fun factor while also highlighting its shortcomings. In essence, the 2025 Mini Cooper S is a car that revels in nostalgia, a reminder of youthful days that were perhaps not always comfortable but undeniably full of vim and vigor. Whether this quirky and fun-loving character resonates with you will depend on your priorities and tolerance for the car's idiosyncrasies. If you're looking for a practical and exciting first car that injects a bit of youthful exuberance into your daily commute, the Mini Cooper S might be your perfect match. But if you require a more refined and tech-savvy companion, you might want to consider other options.